Hi, welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to do a loop playback in Premiere Pro. Alright, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so we are inside of Adobe Premiere Pro right now, and I'm currently using all panels. So to go there, you just click on all panels at the top, or click on Window, Workspace, and then click on all panels. Alright, so now I have here in the lessons project, I have here a walking that we're going to use here, 005 walking. So to create a new sequence for 005 walking with the same settings, I'm just going to drag it to our timeline by just dragging here in the new item. Once you release that, it will automatically create a new sequence, same name of the clip. All right, so let's select V from the keyboard to change our cursor to selection tool. All right, now we're gonna loop in this one. You can use for whatever reason for the loop. All right, so that you can play back. To do that, all we have to do is to go here in the program monitor and then look for the loop playback. All right, here's the loop playback. Now, just in case that you cannot see this loop playback, all you have to do is to go to the plus sign, and then you will see all of the button editor that you can add to your program monitor. All right, so say for example the loop playback is this one, loop playback. If you cannot see it here, all you have to do is to drag it here. All right, and then once you drag it here, the loop playback will be added. All right, so in my case, the loop playback is already added. That's why I don't need to do it. But if you cannot find it, just go to the plus sign, look for the loop playback, just drag it here inside of the box, and then click OK, and the loop playback should be in here. All right, now so we need to toggle this, but before we toggle the loop playback, all we have to do is to create an in point and out point in the loop playback that we want to play. So by pressing the letter I on the keyboard, it will go to the in point. All right, and then just drag this blue button and then blue playhead, and then press the letter O on the keyboard, and it will create you the in point and the out point of the clip, part of the clip that you want to play in loop. All right, so to do that, I'm gonna enable this loop playback. All right, blue means enabled. All right, and we're going to try to play it by hitting the space bar. As you can see, it's keep on playing. All right, so let's try to increase the timeline here. All right, I would increase that one here. Say for example you'd like to add another footage here, like river. All right, so I'm gonna add river in our next footage, in our sequence, as you can see. So you can just you can adjust this. All right, you can adjust that, and then once you play it, all right, we're gonna still play the loop. All right, as you can see, or you can just simply drag it here. All right, to see the playback. All right, so it will continuously play it. So you can still edit by setting this in point, out point, and enables the loop playback. You can see whatever you put in this timeline, in this part of the timeline. All right, you can also or I'm hitting the space bar, you can also adjust this out point, all right, to where you want to put in, all right, the playback. All right, and then you just need to play it again. All right, so you did not change that one because there's no footage, but you can just put in here. You can just drag it in here. All right, and then you can just like that, and then let's try to play it. All right, we'll still play it. Okay, and you can also adjust this part in here. All right, as you can see, it did not follow because I just changed it without pressing the space. So you need to reset by hitting the space bar again, and then you're gonna adjust and the blue playhead, and then you try to play it again. All right, and there from that point, it will play the loop playback again. All right, so that's how you do a loop playback inside Premiere Pro. All right, so loop playback. All right, and that's how you enable the loop playback in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.